Alright, I'm ready to put some multiple devices up on my computer screen. This is great to display in your smartboard in your classroom, and like I said, your administrators will really be amazed at your tech savviness that you're able to do this. You can do it straight from your podium, from your stand, whatever your station is. It's very easy to do once you have everything set up. So I've already purchased the Reflector app. Not terribly expensive. I got my tech department to install it on my computer for me. You can see my laptop is HS10882. Very clever name given to me by my tech department. And why that matters is when you swipe on your iPad or your iPhone and you select screen mirroring, I'm going to see that same HS10882. And I'm going to click, and boom, there's my iPad screen. And you see that I have that little moon selected. That's that do not disturb. You want to make sure that you have that selected so you don't get notifications. Your students will always giggle whenever you get emails from your principal. Not that I have any experience in that. So we're going to click off of that, and you can see now I can open things like Tonal Energy Tuner, and I can use the big screen. You can actually stream your metronome. This is going to come through my computer speakers, which it really doesn't like whenever I'm screencasting. But you can click on your metronome, do that straight from your stand. If you're like me, sometimes you want to turn the metronome off and on. It's a great way to do that and use your big speakers in your classroom. The pitch tone generator also works from this way, and it's really not very much of a delay. It's very easy to use. I use Tonal Energy all the time in my room. A lot of times I will stream that from one of my devices. The other one will have the agenda up for the day. So you can see I've got my slides agenda. This is our practical music ed tech that you're probably sitting in the seminar right now. And I want to display multiple devices at once. So I can also grab my iPhone, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to pick that up and slide down. And I'm also going to screen mirror to HS10882. And now you can see that I have two screens. Now this you may want to set up in advance because you need to set your screen size. Let's go ahead and let's open Google Drive. Alright, you can see all of the different things in my Google Drive folder, or maybe I want to open, let's see, my Scanner Pro app. And I can actually, oh, there's my screen in my screen. Isn't that cool? Because I'm getting ready to take a picture of a picture in a picture in a picture. So it's taking real time from both. Very, very cool thing that you can use, and you can right click on these and you have different options. Okay, I can tell this one to be always on top. I can also close the connection if I don't want to use the one. Over here, maybe I want to show that really nifty iPad frame to show my kids how cool my iPad is. Maybe I don't want to do that. I click Show Frame. But what I really like about this is you can resize these. So I can make my iPad large, and I can make my iPhone a little bit smaller and off to the side. So I can select slides over here and put up my clinic. And on my iPad then, I'll go ahead and open Tonal Energy. So I've got both of these going at once, and they both work in real time. It's really a pretty slick way to have multiple things going on in your screen at once. And think about the size of your smartboard. You can play around with this in advance and have a pretty large part of the screen displaying your agenda, and just have the tuner up in the corner. Okay, as soon as I'm done with those, a simple right click close connection will get rid of those. On your computer screen, you have to walk over to do that, or you can just swipe down on your device and say stop mirroring, which is an easy way as well to do from your stand.